Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mishika. So guys, today I'll be taking you on a tour of my study room because I personally feel that our study room describe us the most. And well, I spend most of my time there. So okay, and also before getting started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find anything relatable. And yeah, let's get started now. So guys, this is the entrance and okay. So this is what my room looks like from the outside. I have this study table, that piano, that little, what is that called? Computer table, yeah. Okay. So here I have this little mirror. Okay, that's not little, fine. Okay, so basically, well, this is me. Okay, here are some of the things that I have kept for a long time. So this is the cover of the book that I have written but haven't published or not even shown to anyone. And if you follow me or read my blogs, you must be knowing that my pen name is, well, it's Bell Venture. Okay, so then here's this universe and extension. This is the project that I made for NASA when I was in class 8, I guess. And yeah, well, I was extremely proud of myself then. Okay, then here we have the 6 ethics of life. Well, I am kind of a girl who just loves to keep myself motivated. And then this another one. Okay, then I have this privilege card over here that I got. So this was my first privilege card that I got. Okay. So now moving on, here I have this cute little seat. Okay, whatever. And then there's Alexa. Oh, Alexa heard us. Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay. Okay, then there's this thing. Okay, now you must be wondering what this is. So let me tell you. So this thing over here, it's called a pyramid, and well, it's got directions written over on it. Okay. And basically, let me tell you what this is. So this thing is supposed to be wore on your head, and well, if you study under it, it provides you with a huge level of concentration. And well, yeah. So earlier it used to be believed that if you study under a pyramid or something, your concentration level gets multiplied. So yeah, that's about it. Then moving on to this part, well, this is the computer table. And well, obviously there's no computer, but there's a laptop over here. So this is where I edit all of my videos, all of those videos that you see and everything. Then there's that printer. Oh, and then this thing, this jacket. I don't know, it's been here for almost, what, 2 or 3 months, and I don't know what it is doing here. But never mind. Then over here I have all those things. Earphones. What is this? Mouse, pen. Oh, did I tell you about this camera? So basically I bought this camera almost 10 years ago, and all of a sudden, I don't know, it stopped working a few years ago, and just a few days ago I switched it on and it was working, and I was like, what? Okay, then here's the laptop charger. So moving on to this part. Oh, hi. Okay, so well, here's my here's my camera stand, phone stand, everything. Then here's, oh, there's camera back. Then this is my keyboard. Well, I post videos, so yep. Then so this room is basically more like a study room and the music room, everything in one, all in one. Then okay, this is the most embarrassing part. I mean, I just do not understand why do I have these little cats over here. I mean, seriously? Okay. Oh, and these pictures over here. So I made this drawing or whatever in class 3 or 4 I guess, and since then my mother just loves it, so she just got it framed and she put it here. And here's the quotes that I just love, so yeah. Oh, and then here's this table. Yep, there's that cute little dustbin too. Okay, so let me show you what I have here. So basically this is my personal diary that I just keep with me all the time. Then there's my stand and a lot of random things are put in there. 2 scales. I don't know what am I doing with 2 scales these days. Oh, then here's this idol that I won when I was in class 6. And it was a first prize for synthesizer where I played a song, and yeah. So then here's this. It's May 30th today, so these are just some quotes, on women empowerment. Then there's that, and there's this thing, of course, my spectacle case. Then there's this thing. So this is a collection of all the things, and well, I just keep it. I have the paintings over there, and I just love to paint. You must have figured it out up till now. And then there's this globe. You wanna see this? Okay, so here's this painting. I don't know when I painted this. Then here's another one. And I don't really remember when I paint these. Okay, then here's this globe. Well, sorry. That's the globe. No story behind it. Okay, then there's this game. You must be knowing about it. Oops, sorry. Oh, then there's this part. Oh my god. Okay, so basically these are all of my art supplies over here. All of it, and these are just some A4 sheets for a printer. And well, then there's these books over here. So guys, I'm a huge Vampire Academy fan, so this is the 3rd book. Well, oh, and also did I tell you that did I mention I Love You fan? It's basically a trilogy. What is that called? Trilogy, yeah, whatever. So this is by Estelle Mascami or Estelle Mascami. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but it's really difficult to pronounce. Okay, so and did I tell you about this painting? So my mother painted this when she was like 20 I guess, and that's her signature too, and that's the name. Okay, that's not the signature. And I just do not understand this painting at all. I mean, I have been trying to figure it out for a long time, but my mother says that there's nothing to figure out. So basically, okay, I'm just gonna zoom in there. So if you can see over there, it says nothing is secret. Okay, fine, understood. But what about here? The guy is telling something to the girl like it's a secret. So I just do not understand this painting at all. What? Seriously? So now this portion. Well, wait, can you see it? You can, right? Okay. So basically this room is my studio. Okay, fine. Yeah, it sounds a bit, I know, but well, I'm almost halfway in converting that room into a studio where I take all of my pictures and yup. Oh, I shot my second video over there. You know, the one with my best friend? It was shot over there, and yeah. So guys, that was it for this video, and I hope you found at least something relatable. And also, well, I wanted to talk to you about something, is that a few days back I posted a story on all of my social medias where I said that I'll be posting videos only on Sunday. But let me tell you that is not really true. I mean, I wanted to do that before, but one thing that I did figure out is that I cannot stay without making videos, and just once a week, it's like, no, not really gonna help me. So I will post videos on Sundays, but if I find something extremely interesting in a week, I might post twice a week. So guys, see you next time.